So please, I ask you to put your hands together to welcome some of our brightest and best, most amazing international startups here on stage.
Huge thank you to Websummit for selecting me to represent the Amazon Sellers Society and to go on stage during the Websummit opening.
Let's officially do this. Here. Mr. Minister, Mr. Mayor, will you join me? I'm going to ask you all, everyone out here in the audience, to help me count down so that we can officially launch Websummit 2023. Are you ready? You're ready. 3, 2, 1, 0.
Welcome to Portugal, Lisbon, and Websummit 2023. We are spending 3 days in Websummit, and we want to introduce you to the coolest companies that can help you on your e-commerce journey. So let's get started. Looking to source products from somewhere other than Alibaba and China? Let me introduce you to Ollie.
Hi, I'm Ollie. I'm one of the co-founders of Wonnda. We are basically a European Alibaba. That means we have 20,000 suppliers that you can find fully digitally in order to launch your own product. We work with all verified suppliers, mostly located in Europe. 95% of our suppliers are located in Europe. So if you need anything from a cosmetic product to a supplement product, you're in good hands when you come to us. We start at small quantities, but we also can cover basically retail quantities, and everything is fully digital. So yeah, stop by. So if you're a brand, you can sign up on our platform even for free, and there are a couple of entry points. So first of all, if you have a very concrete idea, you can submit a RFP, a request for proposal. We will share this request with all of our suppliers that match your request, and then they can directly get back to you. We also have a digital product catalog where you can browse through products and you can directly request products from verified suppliers, or you can just really get started ideating by discovering product suppliers and so on. So no matter in which stage you are, just in a discovery stage, or if you're very, very concrete already about your idea, you will probably find what you need on the platform.
Is there a smart tool that can help you manage all of your accounts, all of your e-commerce businesses in one platform, and that tool is user-friendly? Meet Shopiverse.
Hi all, my name is Orhan Isayev. I am from Azerbaijan and I'm living in Turkey. We have a Shopiverse, which is AI-powered global e-commerce integration solution, and you can easily manage all your sales, orders, operations, WMS, ERP, only just one panel, only just single panel. You don't not need to go to Amazon, eBay, Wayfair, Walmart separately. You can list your products very easy way, and you can manage your lists, orders, and from here you can also use AI. AI helping you about creation of content, optimization of image, and translation side. It's very easy to go global with Shopiverse. Then don't wait and come us. Let's join us.
Shopiverse is used by literally thousands of users everywhere, all over the world. But do you need to be a very big seller and have large accounts to use Shopiverse?
If you are a manufacturer or seller, or you are aiming to sell your products globally and increase your all sales all over the world, then Shopiverse is the great partner for you to manage all your services.
Registering your business in the US to start selling on Amazon in the US, the world's biggest global marketplace. What are the steps and how can you do it?
My name is Mateus. I work at Globalify. Just so you understand, Globalify is a global company that's been on the market for the past 8 years, and we help global founders, global entrepreneurs to start and manage their companies in the US. So for the past year, we already helped to form more than 8,000 companies from clients that are from 90 different countries. We help them to set up their companies in the United States, to provide them with accounting and tax services, and also with a bank account. And we also have a side company that can help them with fulfillment. So basically everything they need to run their business in the US or globally and start doing business either on Amazon or using any other platform like that.
So ask Mateusz how easy it is for somebody to register a business and how fast it is, and this is what he said.
The process itself is very simple and straightforward. It can be done in 5 to 10 minutes, but the business registration usually takes around 30 business days. It always depends on which state you're choosing to register your company. When you work with Amazon FBA or doing Amazon business in the US, usually those companies tend to use Florida, and then you get those 30 business days. You don't need any documents to start your company, as weird as it may sound, but you're gonna need a valid passport, an utility bill, and a web page to open your bank account there, so you're able to receive and make payments in the US.
Why did VPs decide to go to the US workplace, to be honest?
Well, our clients, they usually have different reasons. Sometimes those reasons are tax regulations in the US. Sometimes it's to be able to use platforms and marketplaces like Amazon, for instance. The US market is the biggest e-commerce market in the world. The technology market there is also the biggest in the world. So you have a huge market to explore and access to a lot of opportunities and also to the US dollar.
What happens if you're a fashion brand and you have so much inventory that you can't actually sell it on your own website? Cercle is the solution if you want to rent your products or resell them. Let's find out.
Hi everyone, my name is Coco and I'm the CEO and founder of Cercle. We are a luxury fashion rental and resale solution for brands to sustainably funnel their end-of-line inventory and consumer to optimize their closets. So on the supply side, technically our customers are both brands and individuals. Brands would use our platform to list their archive pieces and generate more revenue from past collection. And then consumer will do that to generate earnings from their own closets. We take care of the entire logistics. And on the demand side, any renters and second-hand buyers really, but more specialized in the luxury sector. So we currently operate out of London, but service the whole of the UK. And through our resale proposition, we've been expanded almost to global geographies, working with key marketplaces partners. UK.
Looking to source products, but something different than just using Alibaba. Introducing Minesh from BuyHive.
I'm the co-founder and CEO of BuyHive. BuyHive is a platform for procurement experts where you can hire freelance procurement experts on demand in different countries in different categories. These procurement experts are basically people who work as buyers, sourcing directors, sourcing engineers, etc. in retail companies, and they have a lot of experience and knowledge in the local markets. They understand the product, they speak the local language, they understand the local geographies, so they are very much what you need when you want to buy new products. This is an option to buying for trusted products and from trusted factories, rather than going on to paid advertising platforms like Alibaba and Made in China, etc.
Okay, hold on. So what is the actual difference between using BuyHive and using Alibaba? Let's find out.
Yeah, so platforms like Alibaba are advertising platforms. Suppliers pay to be on the platform. If a problem happens, it's not the responsibility of the platform, right? And the highest paid advertiser is what you see on top when you search for the product. In our case, what happens is we are curating. So like there is a particular product SKU that you need. We are curating suppliers according to your specific needs, because the sourcing expert is a category expert in that particular product that we are matching you with. And that person understands your needs. They have background understanding of the factories. They've been going in and out of the factories for 10, 15, 20 years. So they are the local knowledge experts.
To contact everyone, just check the links in the description box of this video. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.